can see I'm doing 0 miles an hour. Got this stubborn bug that doesn't want to leave my windshield. So let's see at what speed he will. Oh, there's 30. Oh, buddy, you're losing your leg. There's 40. Narrow stretch of road, and 50. I guess have to cruise on 50 because it's a DT construction zone. Boy, this guy has some power. Look at that. That's all you can do is just look at it. He's hanging on. Dear life. Must speed up a little bit, even though I'm not supposed to. For a while. There's 62. Boy, he is really holding on. He's gone. 55.